Okay, since I'm not going to the lake today, I'm going to go ahead and add on to this look so I look the way I like to look. Yesterday I used this Naked Skin by Urban Decay and slung it like that, and Pat really liked it. He really liked this foundation. So what I have on now is Sunscreen, this one that I just showed you in the previous clip. Moisturizing facial sunscreen, sheer and lightweight hyaluronic acid, transparent zinc oxide. Okay, so that's going to be my primer. And since it's a little greasy, it might make this foundation more comfortable. And I'm using a damp beauty sponge. And like I showed yesterday, in case you missed it, I did a tips and tricks for how to get the most out of your beauty blender. And I'll link that video right here so you can go back and watch that. My hair is up on top of my head today because this is how I would wear my hair if I was going to the lake, which I'm not. I'm gonna go take Taco for a walk, vacuum the house. What else did I plan on doing? Yesterday I stripped the bed and washed and Pat remade it for me. That was awesome, because I usually pull something trying to stretch the fitted sheet over the mattress. See, it takes a long time to pounce this in. For me, with a beauty blender, but I sure do feel like it makes a pretty finish. And the reason I'm using my beauty blender instead of my Beaky is because her question was using a beauty blender, and I figured she had the name brand, so I would use the name brand. All right, there's my foundation. Now I'm going to go back in with this Perth palette again. I liked my look yesterday with that. I'm going to do something similar again today. I'm going to take Shrimp and make it my transition color. This is I don't know what brush. Oh, it's I keep pulling these Morphe brushes out. Oh, also I need to get my kit together. I have a pregnant mother. She was a bride that I did her makeup, hair and makeup for her engagement photos, and I did her makeup for her wedding, and now she's pregnant and she wants me to do hair and makeup for her pregnancy pictures. Okay, I'm going to take this color, and it is Vegemite. I'm going to put it in the center. And I'm patting it on. I think this is a crown brush. I love it. It's perfect for patting on lid colors. And then I'm going to turn my brush over and use Coral Reef. This is one of those things where I just pat all the wrong color. Pat all the colors on and then go back and blend them. Oh boy, that's a pigmented palette. I'm using the Focallure Perth palette again. Okay, and then I'm going to take the Y'all liked it up close. Here we go. We'll do it up close again. So Vegemite, Coral Reef, Go ahead and put the Y up here too. And then I'm going to take a brush and circle it on the seams. I liked that purple color that I used yesterday. Let's see if I can find a little brush. The color was passion fruit. It's just, I really liked how that looked yesterday. So we're going to do that again today. I'm going to take the Q-tip and feather the edges of that. This is really pretty. It shifts. I want to use it, but I don't want it to fall in my eyes. So I'm going to use some mixing medium from Don't Be Jealous. You can have one too. I'll list it in the description box. Isn't it cute? Alright. I'm going to put some mixing medium out here. Oh, do y'all like my nail color? It's called Beat, Pray, Love. It's a Sally Hansen Miracle Gel. Alright, I'm going to take this brush that I was using before. It's a Crown Smudger brush. And I'm going to take some mixing medium and pat it right here. And then I'm going to take this opal and pat it on top. I'm not certain what I'd like to say about that. I'm trying something different. I'm trying mixing the mixing medium with the opal before I go on with it. Okay. All right, I'll show it to you. It's this. And I'm mixing it with my mixing medium on top of my Laura Mercier compact and patting it right there. All right, let's do it on the other side. So it's a little work intensive, but I'm going to take the coral reef and put it with this passion fruit like that. Now I need some eyebrows. This is my chocolate pencil, brow pencil from NYX. Arrange my brow a little bit first. I know, I just covered up that WA color I used. We'll put it back. All right, let's draw on some brows. There's one. Let's do this one. All right, I have my brows on and I'm going to put some eye cream on. I have the Charlotte Tilbury Magic Eye Rescue, and it's cold because it's been in the refrigerator. Lest you think I'm fibbing to you, I need to glue these because they look like they want to get out of control. Alright, I need some more mascara. I need some black eyeliner. My eyeliner yesterday was lackluster. This one's called Phone Number. Let's give it a go. Phone Number is by MAC. Let's see if it's writing. It is indeed. I used to use Phone Number on a lot of my brides where black was too harsh. But so many of them wear lashes that they need black liner. Actually, not all of them do. If they're requesting a dainty lash with a, and I use a clear band, I don't need any liner. There, that's pretty. That's Phone Number by MAC. Okay, let's put Maybelline Instant Age Rewind on. That's been in the refrigerator too. I'm going to use my Wet Beauty Blender today. I feel like it worked well yesterday. And I'm pouncing gently so I don't remove it. I feel like we're a little much there. There, we're even Steven. So this is the Perth palette. It's from Focallure. And they sent me this to do a review on. Do y'all recall that? I'll link that right here so you can see that original look that I did. The look I did originally when I first got this palette. And why did I choose this one? Pat chose this one. All right, let's do highlight down the nose. I think I'm gonna use my finger for this so I don't get it out of place. I can use the Beauty Blender for this. Now I'm gonna pull out my Mercier. I'm gonna take this brush. This is a soft focus shader. And I'm going to do my nose contour. The sun's coming up nicely. I do plan on basking in the sun again today. I wonder if I had something else on this brush. It's acting funny. I'm running my finger right over the top of that. I want it fuzzed out, but I don't want to remove it. There we go. I want a powder. I want the Peach Perfect. I'm going to powder my eyelashes. Maybe they'll stay more feathery today if I do that. This is the Stila Huge. And this is my MAC mascara brush. I feel like I probably dotted my lids. Nope. Alright, I'm going to go in with the more on the other eye. So I'm still using the Rodan & Fields. Every night I make sure my lashes are good and clean with no mascara residue so that my Rodan & Fields can get where it needs to get. So there's no barrier. I get them good and clean and good and dry before I apply the... And I've had that tube for a good while. I read some comments that said that you're supposed to throw it away after 3 months. You know how I am. I'm not a rule follower. Let's do a blush. I want to do the... I liked this yesterday too. There were things about my look yesterday that I really liked. Oh, I don't have my contour on. Let's do contour first. I'm getting out of order again. Jenny, you're out of order. I want to use my Sigma F23. I think the combination of this sunscreen and this foundation is going to work really well. Bronze the corners of my eyes. Alright, now I want to use my Charlotte Tilbury. I'm going to use the Pop. It's kind of a vertical motion, right? So it can look like flushed from being in the sun. Can you see it good out there? And then I'm going to take the swoosh portion. This is the only one of these I have. Do any of you have the Cheek to Chic Charlotte Tilbury blushes? Any of them? And if so, which one do you have? I want another one. I love these so much. I love them so much. Okay, I'm going to put some red right here too. Some pop right there too. Let me sunburn. A little bit there. Okay. Glue those eyebrows up good. Okay, and I still have on the Steppin Out, the Dazzleglass from MAC.